Hello everyone, today I will be comparing Tineco Smart Wear Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Shark Clean Lightweight Cordless. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better, and links to all the products are in the description. Let's start. Suction power of Tineco is 130, Shark is only 100, Tineco here is winner. Weight of Tineco is 10 and 5 lbs, Shark 9 lbs, Shark here is winner. Cleaning capabilities in Tineco is wet and dry, vacuum and mop, and in Shark is dry and vacuum only. Tineco here is winner. Battery life in Tineco is up to 30 minutes. In Shark is up to 40 minutes. Shark here is winner. Water tank capacity in Tineco is 0.5 liters. In Shark not find it, and Tineco here is winner. Corded or cordless here is cordless. Filtration system in Tineco is multi-stage filtration, in Shark multi-level filtration, it's tie. Additional features in Tineco is LED headlights, self-cleaning brush roll. In Shark is lightweight design, easy maneuverability, and Shark here is winner. And if you want more suction power, long battery life, and an affordable price, you are better with the Tineco Smart Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The link to buy it's in the video description. Thank you.